morning, students. Let us read and understand the story. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Okay, this is video number 2 of the story. In video 1, we have done new words. If you have not seen the new words of this unit, you will find link in I button above and you can see. So you can see this is a man who is looking surprised by seeing a footprint. So why he is surprised by seeing a footprint? So let us see. So the summary of the story is there was a man, Robinson Crusoe. His ship was destroyed by the sea and he went to the island. When he went to the island, he was living alone there in a cave, and one day he saw a footprint near the beach. So he was afraid, frightened with that, and ran into his castle. But he was living there, that is called a cave, and he named it as a castle. So he went inside. 2-3 days he laid there and didn't came out. But after 2-3 days he prayed to God and tried to examine, investigate, find what is the footprint, whether it is his own footprint or someone is living around there. So he came out again that part of the sea. So it was not his footprint because of two reasons. One, he had not been there since long time. Second reason, he put his foot alongside the footprint and find the footprint is larger in size than his foot. So he was again frightened and run back to his cave or castle. Okay, so this was the summary of the story. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. How a sea can destroy the ship? Yes, by the waves. In the air, waves, ship can destroy destroyed with the icebergs in sea. So there are seven different ways by which a ship can destroy the ship. He had been alone for many years. When his ship is destroyed, he was on an island which is very far from a mainland, and he had been alone for many years. So there was no other person on that island and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. So on one day near sea beach, he found a footprint. Let's find out what he did then. Okay. One day when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see footprints of a man on the sand. So one day he was going towards his boat. He has made a boat to catch fish and travel some distance. So every day he was going there. One day he went there and he saw the footprint of a man. I stood amazed. He was surprised. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I tried to listen sounds around me, but I didn't listen anything. I tried to look all around, but I didn't find anything. Okay, so I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore Shore means beach of sea. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could not, I could find no other footprint but that one. Okay, so I saw only one footprint and I tried to see if whether any other footprints are there or not, but there was no other footprint. So it was the reason of surprise that he saw only one footprint. I went to it again. Then he went to the footprint again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination or just to confirm that whether it is my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the footprint of a foot. He was correct because it was exactly footprint. How could he justify, how could he confirm that it is a footprint? Yes, because the footprint has toes, heel, and every part of a foot. So he confirmed that the footprint has toes, heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came here. So he was surprised and could not imagine how only one footprint could come here. I stayed long time thinking, but became more and more confused. He tried to think there, but he was more and more confused because only one footprint is there. Okay. At last, I returned home. Then he came back to home very frightened. Frightened means with fear. I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps. Why he was looking behind after every 2 and 3 steps? Because he was frightened, fear of that footprint. Whose footprint is that? Mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. And he was confused. He was thinking that every bush or a tree is like a man. When I came to my cave, because he was living in the island and there was no home there, so he was living in a cave, like an animal lives in a cave, which I called my castle. So castle is fort. So he was saying his cave as a fort. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I run inside it as if I was being chased. I just suddenly run inside because it was considering that someone is chasing me. I do not remember whether I used to use the ladder or went in by the hole in the. He has put some ladder to just go inside the castle, but he forgot whether he has used that ladder or not. Well, rock, which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. So he was just running like animal and trying to save himself. I did not sleep that night. I did not sleep that night. Why he could not sleep that night? because he was frightened. He was fear of footprint. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. Afraid, fear, frightened. These are synonyms. Afraid, fear, frightened. So the more he was thinking about the footprint, the more afraid he was. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to sea in small boat. Okay, so he thought one of the savages of the mainland. Mainland में कोई came to this place in a small boat to just hang out without a purpose. Wandered means coming somewhere without a purpose, without a route. Luckily, I was not on shore that time, or it was my luck that I was not near the sea beach at that time. What if he had seen my boat? Because the boat of the Robinson was in the sea only, and if that person has seen his boat, so he was more afraid for this. If he had been seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. Okay, if he has seen his boat, so he would be confirmed that someone is living in the island and he will come back with other friends and kill him and probably eat Robinson. And so I lay fearful for many days. So for many days he didn't come out of his cave or castle, and he was afraid, fearful, and prayed for protection. And he prayed to God that God please protect me. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. After praying, he was just comfort and he was trying to investigate, he was trying to search out, he was trying to find out what is the actual condition there. Investigate means to search, to find out. But even now, as I went forward, but after several days, when I was going forward, going towards the shore, I looked behind me frequently and I was continuously looking backside. Why he was looking backside? Because he was afraid of that savage. Because I was still very frightened. He was still very feared. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. So after 2 3 days, he went there and he saw nothing. So he becomes some bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. So he decided to go to the sea beach and try to examine the footprint once more. He was trying to understand that why this one footprint is there and whether it is the footprint of a man or not. I decided to measure it with my own footmark, and this footprint can be Robinson footprint. So he thought I will check whether it is my footprint or not. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since long time. Okay, so when he came to the footprint, he realized it is not his footprint because he didn't come to that part of beach or shore since long time. Second reason is that as I placed my footprint alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. Okay, when he put his footprint and near the footprint, what he's understood, what he examined, that the footprint he found there is larger than his own foot. Means it cannot be his footprint. My fear returned. So he was again afraid. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. Means he was now confirmed that there is someone there. The island was inhabited. Means inhabited means someone is living there. So the island was inhabited. So this is a story of Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe. So I hope you like this story. If you like this story, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.